Hey there, guys. My name is Cypress Walnut, and I'm a hippie, if you haven't noticed already. I come from the far lands of the 60s to tell you about the world. Our world is beautiful, and you need to realize that. A lot of people don't. You'd be surprised. Our life, the greenery of grassland, the musical chirp of birds, all of it, it's just beautiful. It's awesome. And it's not going to last long the way we're going right now. Our life, it's fragile. And we need to do something about it. Imagine the great green grasslands of the prairies once long ago in the Midwest. It's gone! Except a little bit. There's a little bit left, don't worry. But it's gone! Imagine. Water is so great, you know. Like I got some water up here, you know. I like some water myself. But we don't have a lot of it. Well, we have a lot of it, but it's going bad. Too much carbon in the ocean. That is not good. Coral reefs are dying like no other. You know Steve Irwin? You remember that guy? Yeah! He loved the coral! But he's dead too! Hold your hands over... Close your eyes. Everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hold your hands over your ears. Hear that? It's the ocean. It's the ocean in your ear. Water trickling down a little stream. Raging waves over the ocean.
Careful up there, Taylor.
Sorry. Or as flat as a sheet of glass on a windless night. That didn't say cocaine. It said snow. Everybody, come on. Take a breath in. You just inhale about 500 milliliters of oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, water vapor, and of course, carbon. Carbon is in everything. It's in this, everything that has lived, is living, and will live. But at the same time, it's a son of a gun. It's a harbinger of death. Too much suffocates the earth. Great Mother Earth. You know the one with the sapphire blue skin, earthy brown eyes, emerald green hair? That, you know the one? I hope so. Because she's freaking dead! Almost actually. She, for the better of man, she's been taking all the stuff we do to her in the last 100, 150 years since the Industrial Revolution. She's been taking it in her way, but she's slowly been letting a trickle of wrath back upon us. All these calamities, all these disasters, you know. It's not a government conspiracy. It's just a pissed off planet. Straight talk. We need to do something. Our world is dying, and we're just sitting here on our butts, twiddling our thumb, be like, oh yeah, somebody else will fix it. No! Somebody else needs to fix it. No, we need to fix it. We need to get ourselves into gear. Do things for it. Don't do palm oil. Screw palm oil. Palm oil is horrible. Try to turn off lights when you're not in there. Meat-free Monday. You know, cattle? Cattle's are real sons of guns. They fart and burp a lot, and methane is bad. Methane is real bad. There's so many other pollutants, you know, chemicals in our waterways. Little microbeads in the water too that the fishies eat. Fishies can't eat that. They can't. Trust me, I know. I don't think you guys are listening to me, okay? You guys need to realize people act as if the world is their garbage can. And you can't do that. You take freaking change, like I said. All of you. Sorry. All of you. Our life is great. And we need to realize that. Take it from me. Give peace a chance. Which color do you prefer? Forest green or murky brown? For all of our sakes. Just go green, man.